In this demonstration, we're using VertexFX Binary Options, which developed specifically to perform binary options capabilities. Search and choose the desired symbol that you want to trade binary options on. Change the parameters on the far left of the screen, such as the amount in US dollars, the timer from 1 minute up to 1 month, which after finish your order will expire, the payout value, which determines the amount you profit versus the return amount when you lose, which they are 160 over 20, 165 over 15, 180 over 0, 170 over 10. For example, if you choose 170 over 10 and you're investing $100, that means if you profit, you will profit $70, and if you lose, you will lose $90 because the return amount is $10. In other words, the system returns $10 of the total amount of the investment, which is in our case is $100. Same way applies to 180 over 0. For example, this payout value gives the maximum amount of profit, but you're compromising the whole amount of investment when losing because the refund value is 0. If you're expecting the price to go upwards, click on call, and if you're expecting the price to go downwards, click on put.